Bullish SafeMoon cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept SafeMoon could reach $0 2025. Bearish SafeMoon market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. SafeMoon presentation. On Walk 8, 2021, SafeMoon, a computerized resource, was acquainted with acknowledged decentralized finance objectives. SafeMoon is a blockchain-based digital money like Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. A distributed organization's common public record that contains information on each exchange is known as a blockchain. SafeMoon was made to decrease a portion of the market unpredictability and prize symbolic holders who hold their tokens for quite a while. Be that as it may, because of financial backers' concerns with respect to the charge structure and the trouble in involving computerized cash in reality, its cost has plunged in the wake of rising strongly in April 2021. Here is an aid that can help you, assuming that you are hoping to put resources into SafeMoon. What is SafeMoon? Perhaps of the most well-known asked subject on Google as the new cryptographic money free for all roused by the moon took over web-based entertainment was what is SafeMoon? A DeFi token is SafeMoon. DeFi, a portmanteau of the expression decentralized finance, is a digital currency development that utilizes blockchain innovation to dodge legitimate associations. Contrasted with more seasoned computerized resources like Bitcoin and Dogecoin, SafeMoon is a child in the digital money industry. The DeFi token was as of late acquainted with the market. In any case, SafeMoon is now a hotly debated issue in spite of its childhood. SafeMoon Specialized Examination. Specialized examination utilizes numerical pointers to break down factual examples and figure cost bearing in the Bitcoin market. Taking a gander at verifiable value developments and volume information comprehends what the market works and gauge how it might mean for future cost changes. Specialized investigation approaches inspect digital money advertises and recognize exchanging systems by breaking down value developments and examples seen on diagrams. They depend on the reason that a cryptographic money set of experiences of exchanging action and value varieties can be utilized to gauge future expenses and preparing. SFM started its excursion on December 16, 2021. Following a time of level cost movement, the cash began its bull run, proceeding to rise. SafeMoon Essential Examination. SafeMoon is a cryptographic money that flows on the SafeMoon convention, a DeFi drive that intends to democratize yield cultivating. It appeared in Walk 2021 and before long became one of the most expected image coins. SafeMoon has no particular use cases, as it is basically a digital money, however it makes them interest highlights. Any exchange incorporates an expense paid by token holders, a 10% commission. A big part of this commission is given to all holders, while the other half is parted between a brilliant agreement and a liquidity pool, as indicated by the proprietors. This commission fills in as a punishment for examiners while compensating long-haul financial backers, as well for guaranteeing liquidity and giving static advantages to those holders. This curious technician ignited a few doubts about SafeMoon being a lie. The announcement exacerbated those worries that the group will perform manual consumes as opposed to algorithmically characterized ones, which many accept gives the staff an excessive force. Then again, the improvement group consumed their tokens to guarantee a fair send-off, and they seemed receptive and anxious to respond to any inquiries to disperse any feelings of trepidation. There are other big-name sponsorships to consider, like Diplo's. SafeMoon Cost. SafeMoon is at present worth $0. SafeMoon has moved 99.71% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,156. SafeMoon is at present position 1010 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $3,241,978 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for SafeMoon to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous SafeMoon market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. SafeMoon Value Forecast 2022. SafeMoon, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SafeMoon cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, however it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. SafeMoon is supposed to have a base worth of $0. SafeMoon Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, SafeMoon cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SafeMoon will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the SafeMoon's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SafeMoon will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. SafeMoon Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SafeMoon might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SafeMoon is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. SafeMoon Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that SafeMoon effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the SafeMoon coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SafeMoon will be green in 2025. The SafeMoon is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. SafeMoon Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SafeMoon cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, SafeMoon has a most extreme value worth of $0. SafeMoon Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SafeMoon figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help SafeMoon needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. SafeMoon Value Expectation 2028. While SafeMoon is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. SafeMoon Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, SafeMoon will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. SafeMoon Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest SafeMoon cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And we realize there is monstrous strain to be one of the primary SafeMoon clients. Nonetheless, not all cryptos that create titles will live to see